Across Africa, buffalo play an important role in agriculture and food production. Known for their strength,
Looks like 750 kilograms.
Noted. It's healthy.
All right, get in there. Keep moving now, easy does it. All right now, easy, keep them moving. Looking good, nice and steady.
Walk on nice and steady.
6.
That's it, easy now.
These buffalo are held in large, clean areas with excellent ventilation, ensuring a calm and stress-free atmosphere.
A thorough physical examination begins with observing the animal's posture and demeanor. This
Dispatch shows a slight deviation in the temperature log.
Confirmed. I'm noting the non-compliance here in the system. All parameters are within the acceptable range. Confirming.
Noted. We can clear this batch.
We compare the color and firmness directly against the digital guidelines before applying the pass tag.
Quality inspectors meticulously check each cut, referencing the digital standard before applying the official stamp of approval.
check the barcode on that batch.
Looks good. All parameters are within tolerance.
The sterilization cycle seems to be running smoothly.
Yes, all logs are within the acceptable range. The quality assurance is maintained.
Here we see the buffalo cuts being meticulously sorted by size and type, ready for distribution to local and export markets.
I've verified the CCP logs against the production schedule.
And the online QA checks.
All green. We are cleared for release.
All right, easy now. Straight back, you're clear on the right.
Roger that. Setting it down.
We are proud to distribute the finest quality African meat globally, maintaining the highest standards of safety and trust.
Heart sounds are strong and steady. Lungs are clear.
Excellent. Let's move on to the palpation.
All right, easy does it. Up you go, nice and steady now.
The sterilization cycle seems to be running smoothly.
Yes, all logs are within the acceptable range. The quality assurance is maintained.
From the farm to your table, we are dedicated to quality every step of the way.